In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a line in Adobe Acrobat. First, let's start by opening the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This step is crucial because you need the document accessible to make any changes. As you open Adobe Acrobat, navigate to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Select Open and browse through your folders to find the PDF document you want to edit. Once you locate it, click on it and then press Open. You will see the PDF load in the main window. This action is important because it sets the stage for all the modifications you will make. Now that your PDF is open, look at the right side panel of the application. Here, you will find various tools and options available for editing. Click on the Comment tool. This feature allows you to annotate, highlight, and make changes to your PDF. When you click on Comment, the panel will expand to show you a range of commenting tools. This is an essential step because it enables you to interact with the document and prepare it for line removal. You should see options for adding notes, drawing shapes, and more. Next, find the line you want to remove within the document. As you scan through the PDF, pay close attention to the area where the line appears. Click directly on that line. You will notice that it gets highlighted, indicating that it is selected. This selection is crucial because it tells the software exactly which element you wish to delete. When you see the line highlighted, it reassures you that you are about to make the right changes. Now, with the line selected, it's time to remove it. You can do this by simply pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. This action deletes the line instantly, and you should see it disappear from your document. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also right-click on the highlighted line and choose the Delete option from the context menu. This flexibility in removing the line is beneficial because it allows you to choose the method you are most comfortable with. After you have deleted the line, take a moment to review your changes. This is important because it ensures that you are satisfied with the modifications made to your document. Look at the area where the line was removed to confirm that it meets your expectations. If you are happy with the results, you can proceed to save your document. Click on File at the top left corner, then select Save or Save As if you want to keep the original file intact. This final step ensures that all your hard work is preserved, so don't skip it. In summary, we started by opening the PDF, then accessing the commenting tools, selecting the line, and finally removing it. Each of these steps is important in ensuring a smooth editing experience in Adobe Acrobat. Remember, mastering these simple tasks not only enhances your workflow, but also boosts your confidence in using the software effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your PDF editing process.